All right, how you doing today? It's Saturday, I don't know, September 5th or something, like who knows. Anyway, it's 2022, I know that. I'm getting ready to do some RVs coming up, electric motor generator slide out, like if it's in the front. So mine happened to be skipping gears or something that not working good. So we're going to do a little video on it, exploratory. So here's the actual motor. It's a Motion, part number 73463, motor number PE2433 Quebec, volts is 12, RPM is 6,000. System Corporation, Eatontown, New Jersey, USA. Right across the pond. I'm in Delaware. So I've already taken out this cap screw here. Okay, and it's got two little divots in it, holes. And I used a reversible SK 7632, internal, external. I can make this either one. Alright, so that's the first part. Now we're going to take this motor off. We're going to get this gearbox open. And I have never done one of these, so we're going to look at it. Put you on pause. So I hooked up a positive negative to my jump box down there. I've got to turn it on. And I seen this spin right here. Let me turn this out. There you go. I seen that shaft spin. Alright, and then it has another lockable collar, which we'll use these snap ring pliers to take out. Alright, so put you on pause. There it is. She's spinning. There's my finger. Alright. It's hooked up. She's spinning. Alright, so I'm going to take this off, take that out, and see what's wrong with her. See if we can get it rebuilt by me. Alright, so I learned something. That's part of this tube assembly. Here's my gear. I'm going to have to clean it up and see if it's stripped. It might be, because in there looks pretty good. Let me see. There you go. Alright, got good grease on it. Oh, now hold on. Alright, we're going to take this apart and we'll check it out. Put you on pause. Alright, that looks pretty good. It's shaft into the motor. The bearing's good. We've seen that shaft there earlier in the video spinning. So our problem's probably this gear. Alright, put that over there inside. Alright, we don't even need to open the case of the motor up or nothing because it's working. So now we'll concentrate on this gear here. I'll see if I can get it off first. Alright, because that spins and then the shaft goes out. Alright, going to give you an update here. I got to speak a little louder because I got the fan behind me blowing. So I went and took the coupler apart right here. Okay. They look pretty good. I got this soaking. That's the coupler plate, mid plate. That goes down in there. Alright, the square plate fits in there. That's a bushing right there, a seal. Okay. And that's your coupler. We talked about that on that generator right there. That's going back in soon. He's got to get some exhaust work done and all. Okay, now I took this off. This is a 5/8, and I like to use, that's a 12 point, but I like to use 6 points. Self-locking nut. Alright, that's called a tube shaft. Now, the unique thing about it, I had to hold it with these pliers right here. Now, I'll take this off. Okay, that looks pretty good, that gear. I'm going to clean her up, look a little better. Okay, but right now the gear looks pretty good. That is called a rack and a pinion. Alright, so the rack's right there and the pinion. So that spins and turns this. Alright, gear reduction. When I took this out, this coupler plate, it was a little stiff. Alright, so I'm going to try to get it freed up. Hoping I don't have to end up buying a whole motor. The newer ones are cheaper. They probably won't last as long. This one's only like 22 years old. They were made in America. Alright, so I'm going to get this apart right here, and I'll show you how I did it and everything, okay? Put you on pause. Alright, so we're getting ready to close this down. Let me turn this noisy thing off here. It feels good though. Alright. We're working on a generator electric motor power slide out for the generator. Usually anywhere from like 7K and up they have them. This is when the generator's in the nose on several different RVs. Monticos, Beavers, there's a couple different ones. Some of them, like Beavers, have them on the side, so it depends what option you get. So I'm going to show you what I found. Right in here, you can see the bearing. It let go. Alright, this is just crud. This is the part that sticks out. And it just got old. It's 22, 23 years old from a 99. This is the part that goes to the front of the generator where it locks and unlocks a bar. Okay, so you're seeing a complete tear down and disassembly of it. I'll look these parts up later because it's the holiday, so we got some family coming over. I just want to get this in for a me thing for my RV. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.